Things to note before you become a content creator. So I'm a content creator, I create content. Do we really understand what it is? Content creation is basically storytelling. Imagine watching a movie or reading a book that does not have head and tail. You have to define your niche. Your niche is basically what you are known for. You know, what is your lane? In fact, you might be confused for a bit in the beginning. There are a few things that you can note that can help you to identify your niche. What do you enjoy sharing the most? Different forms of content creation. There is the tutorial bit of it, entertainment bit of it. What are you happy to show effortlessly, and what can you teach? What do people constantly ask about you? Maybe you're always having a nice hairdo and people start asking you, oh my God, where's your wig from? And that might just be your thing. You might just be good at spotting good hairs. Seeing that there is a need for it, where you can start creating content, plugging you to the best kinds of hair vendors. What other people are doing cannot be the basis with which you decide the kind of content creator that you want to be. Each time you post, I want you to ask yourself, what story am I telling here? It will inform how you shoot. So it starts from your head. So when you become a content creator, one of the things that you have to do, you have to build your brand identity. Everybody talks about brand. It's not on my brand, but do you even know what your brand is? So your brand is the mood that you create. It is how people feel when they see your name or your content. What do you want to be known for? You know, everybody is leaning more towards a particular kind of content. Never know, there might be a niche or there might be a market that has not been tapped into. Not find out if you are constantly looking at what every other person is doing. What kind of colors are associated with you? What's your tone? What's the perception that you want to give people? Because I need you to understand that social media is not real life. Content creation, it is a business. What is the perception that you want people to have of you? Content creation is an opportunity for you to rebrand yourself outside of who you are in real life. Are you classy? Are you funny? Are you bold? Are you what? Are you elegant? Are you fast? You need to decide what your definition of consistency is and what are your values. What are your non-negotiables? Whether you like it or not, other people's brands can influence your own brand positively or negatively depending on how you collaborate with them. As a content creator, your voice matters. Whether you have 2 followers, 500 followers, or 10 million followers, there is only one you. You want to be intentional about it. You are a brand that is credible. Don't jump on trends blindly. All of you in this class, you have bright future. Say to yourself, I have a bright future. You have to guard that your future very well. You cannot be doing anyhow. Let that breeze blow, you follow and go there, no? As a content creator, intending or existing, you need to know what content pillar you are leaning more towards. Content pillars are the main themes or categories of your content. So when people see your content, where can they group your content into? There is food and recipe. I'd say it's lifestyle and beauty. So that's the one all of you like. Get ready with me to go do my hair, my 1 million naira braids. You know, that's lifestyle and beauty. Inspiration and growth. Brand partnerships, you know, campaigns and stuff like one that we are doing right now, which is academy and teaching. Those are all like different content pillars, and there's so many more. I want you to review 3 content pillars that work for you. Your content doesn't have to be perfect to be powerful. It just has to be real. Adios. Bye bye. Drink water. Haguavina. Thank you. Peace out.